Today we're going to talk about the most beneficial and lucrative business that you could do in Dubai. A lot of people don't have the idea about what business they should do. And this business, the one I'm going to talk about, you must have seen the thumbnail already. This business could be for the newbies as well, for new entrepreneurs as well, for the people who haven't done a business before or who are looking for a new idea and want to set up a new business. This is one of the easiest businesses that you could set up, the documentation wise, and one of the most lucrative business. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wars and Lifestyle. Once again, today we're going to talk about how you could set up cleaning services business and also the home maintenance business. This is both the activities are related. That's why we incorporated both the activities in this one video. I'm going to explain you why is this business in high demand today in Dubai and why you should set this business up so that you could make the best out of it. Well, before I explain you, do remember that you should be subscribing to this channel right away and like and share these videos, because there could be some video that could be very beneficial for you and could make you a lot of money. So also, in case you need our help to set up any sort of business in Dubai or in UAE, my team is available all times 24/7. You could reach out to my team on this number, or the details are right below there. Email them, WhatsApp them, or call them. If you want to reach out to me for any sort of consultation, any sort of advice, it's absolutely free of cost for now. So you could reach out to me on my Instagram, the ID is right here, or you could write to me an email on my personal email, but please do not forget to drop in your contact number if you're writing me an email. Well, my email ID is right here. So you can write me here and I will reply to you as early as possible. So let's move forward. Let's talk about the cleaning business. Before I tell you about the setup, let me tell you why this business, the home cleaning business, is in high demand. Because of the Airbnb and because of holiday home rentals business. You must have heard there are millions of people, millions of tourists coming to Dubai every day, every week, every month. And this is the reason where home cleaning services business is required. It is in high demand because there are thousands of apartments where Airbnb business, holiday home rentals business is done on daily basis, and those apartments need to be cleaned, which also means the home service, the home cleaning service, the cleaning services are required on daily basis, right? So you have high chances of getting the business and making the best out of it. So this is one main reason. Second reason why cleaning services is in high demand is Dubai is growing very fast. Not just Dubai, all other Emirates. Talk about Sharjah, talk about Ajman, talk about Ras Al Khaimah. All of these Emirates are growing at a very high speed, and Dubai is the best out of them. So when a city is growing, of course, the services like cleaning and home maintenance are required. These services are required, so you should be setting this business up in Dubai as soon as possible, as early as possible. So when I talk about Airbnb and I talk about the growth of Dubai, in both the scenarios, both these services are required. Home cleaning services and home maintenance services, both of them are required because you need maintenance as well, right? So you could offer those services. All you gotta do is get in touch with the people who are maintaining the Airbnbs and running the Airbnb businesses in Dubai. You could get in touch with them, introduce yourself, send your brochure, discuss rates with them, discuss the price with them, and you could get started. And the best part is that even if you are hooking up with just a couple of Airbnb companies, they have hundreds of apartments each. And they just don't set up one company for all 100 apartments or 200 apartments because they don't want to take the risk. They minimize the risk. So you always have the chance to get an entry there and set up your business and give it a kickstart. So that's about what this business could get you. Now let me explain you how you can set up. So setup process is pretty easy. You got to reach out to me, or you got to reach out to my team, and my business consultant or the relationship manager is going to help you through all the process. Now, just to give you a heads up about how the process is going to work out, it's very simple. The first thing is you got to send us a clear copy of your passport, also a photograph with white background, and the simple details like email ID, your contact number, your address, and stuff like that. Then we move on to getting the initial approval. That is your first step. Once we get the initial approval, we go on to reserving the trade name for your business. So we do the trade name reservation. Third is we move on to getting an ijari, that is a rental contract. We take care of all of that. You don't have to worry if you don't have a rental contract or you don't have an ijari, we will take care of that. Once we have the rental contract, we move on to applying for the trade license, which we usually get on the same day. So we get the trade license, then we start the visa process in case you don't have the visa, right? If you already have the visa in the UAE, you don't need to do that visa process. You end it there and apply for the DTCM approval. So additional approvals from Dubai municipality may be required. So you can apply for the Dubai municipality approval as well, and that does not take more than 2 to 3 days. Once you're done with that, you apply for the corporate bank account, because you need a business bank account. The people are going to pay you in checks or the bank transfer, and that has to go into your business bank account. This is the whole process of setting up this business, and it's a very simple step-by-step process. So in case you want to get in touch with me or my team, like I said, you could reach out to us on this contact number for more information. If you want to know about the pricing, how much is it going to cost you? It's not going to cost a lot, but we could send you an official quotation. If you don't want to go for an official quotation, log on to this website. This is bellbottomdubai.com. You can scroll down to cost calculator and put in the details there. You will get the pricing. Right? So you have all the details about setting up this business now. Reach out to us anytime, and we will ensure that you get started as early as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe, like I said in the start. Thanks.